Does your cream bedroom feel more flat and yellow than calm and serene? The good news is you do not need to start over. You just need smarter contrast, better light control, and a way to see the changes before you spend a single dollar. When a neutral bedroom starts to feel off, it is usually not because there is too much cream. It is because there is not enough contrast. Warm daylight pushes already warm fabrics toward yellow. Low-hanging curtains chop the room in half. Too many tiny accents at the same height create visual noise instead of calm. That is why it is so easy to get stuck. You know something is wrong, but you do not know if you should repaint, replace the rug, or buy all new bedding. And no one wants to clutter a small bedroom chasing the right look. Start with the windows. In a cream bedroom, window treatments are your first line of defense against a yellow cast. Hang rods higher, align them across every window, and add blackout or thermal lining behind sheers so sunlight does not overwarm your fabrics. Layered panels in deep green, rust, or burgundy instantly give the room more depth. Next, fix the textiles with intention. Simplify the pillow stack, then swap just a few covers and the throw into richer tones that nod to your rug or wood tones. Think forest green, terracotta, or burgundy. The envelope stays calm and cream, but the accents carry the mood. Then, add one grounding anchor. A dark wood or black ceiling fan, a leather bench, or a darker frame pulls the eye up and keeps all those light tones from floating away. Designers often say a touch of black helps a light room feel finished. In a cream bedroom, that single dark thread can be the difference between bland and beautifully balanced. Instead of guessing, you can test these ideas virtually. With ReimagineHome.ai, you upload one honest photo of your bedroom and see multiple versions side by side. Deep green curtains versus rust. A burgundy throw against your existing rug. Bench or no bench. Even small layout changes and different lighting moods. ReimagineHome.ai lets you see what works in your real light and layout before you change a thing. Design research and everyday experience both point to the same truth. When you can see options in your actual space, you make faster, more confident decisions. Homeowners who preview bedrooms in context often cut their trial and error in half and avoid the extra spending that comes from buying the wrong textiles twice. ReimagineHome.ai turns your cream bedroom into a safe test lab. You keep the pieces you love and audition only the changes that matter most: curtains, pillows, throws, art, lighting, and one strong anchor. Bedrooms do not need more stuff to feel finished. They need the right contrast in the right places. A richer curtain here, 2 saturated pillows there, a grounded bench or fan, and one intentional piece of art can turn too much cream into layered, quiet luxury. If your neutral bedroom feels flat, do not rush to repaint or replace everything. Upload one photo to ReimagineHome.ai, try a few color stories, adjust your curtains and anchors on screen, and let the version that feels most like you rise to the top. See your next chapter before you commit. Reimagine your cream bedroom with ReimagineHome.ai.